You don't need a gym. You don't need 10 exercises. In fact, one single move can hit your chest, arms, and core at the same time, and if you're not doing it, you're leaving gains on the table. Most guys skip this move because it looks simple, but it's secretly brutal. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use one bodyweight move to build a stronger chest, thicker arms, and a rock-solid core, faster than most traditional workouts. No fluff, no overcomplicated routines, just one move done the right way. Step by step. The move is a decline push-up hold with slow tempo and core lock. Your feet are elevated, your hands are on the floor, but the magic is how you do it. This isn't about cranking reps, it's about tension. Step 2. Set up like a pro. Place your feet on a bench, chair, or step. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Squeeze your glutes. Brace your core like someone's about to punch your stomach. Your body should be a straight line. No sagging, no arching. You're a plank made of steel. Step 3. Slow descent, chest builder. Lower yourself slowly. Count 3 seconds down. This lights up your chest like crazy. Why? Because slow negatives increase time under tension, which is gold for muscle growth. Step 4. Bottom hold, core and arms killer. At the bottom, pause for 2 seconds. Your chest is just above the floor, your elbows are bent, your core is screaming. This pause is where chest fibers activate harder. Triceps work overtime. Core stabilizers go into panic mode. This is where most people cheat. You won't. Step 5. Controlled push, arm power. Push back up explosively but controlled. Exhale as you press. Lock in the core again at the top. That's 1 rep. Rep range. Forget 30 sloppy reps. You want 6 to 12 perfect reps per set. If you can do more, slow it down even more or raise your feet higher. Why this one move works. This move works because it combines compound pushing, chest and triceps, isometric core tension, mechanical disadvantage, decline angle. You're training multiple muscle groups at once, which means more muscle recruitment, more calorie burn, more growth stimulus. Efficiency equals faster results. Common mistakes. Mistake number 1, rushing the reps. Fast reps equals less tension. Less tension equals slower gains. Mistake number 2, letting hips sag. This turns the move into a lazy push-up and kills core activation. Mistake number 3, flaring elbows too wide. This shifts stress away from chest and risks shoulder pain. Mistake number 4, no progression. Doing the same version forever equals plateau. 7-day action plan. Days 1 to 2, 4 sets, 6 to 10 slow reps. Focus on perfect form. Day 3, rest or light mobility. Days 4 to 5, 4 to 5 sets. Add a 3-second bottom hold on every rep. Day 6, AMRAP set. As many reps as possible. Stop 1 rep before failure. Day 7, full rest. Take progress photos or check push-up strength. Do this for 7 days and you'll feel the difference in your chest tightness, arm pump, and core strength. If this helped you, hit like so more people stop wasting time on useless workouts. Comment one move if you're adding this to your routine. And subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you the one bodyweight move most people do wrong that's killing their gains.